Alright everybody, here I want to show you guys a little bit of the new Wii U interface. So let me kind of go through it. It does have the same kind of interface as the Wii, a little bit different but same kind of basic thing. Up here on top you can see on my TV what it looks like here on the TV, and now you can actually change it, and now you can have the other interface on the TV. So it does do both of them. So you can change it by hitting this button on your gamepad right here in the corner, and you can look at it two different ways. You can see some very interesting different information here. I'll go back to the other view. Sorry, let me go back here. There we go. So this is, like I said, this is your basic interface. You can see you have YouTube, Netflix, Amazon, Hulu, settings, some other information. I have my Mario game right here in the system, your Me channel, and then this is actually your user right here, which you can see my username right there is TomSGT123. So if any of you guys want to friend me and you have a Wii U, go for it, man. I'll probably accept. Just tell me you're from YouTube and we'll go from there. So that is the users. This is the user I'm on right now. So everything is set up for this user. You can change your users if you want your kids, and you have parental controls right here in this little icon, and you can change stuff they have access to. So you have your Miiverse. We'll go into that here. Miiverse. Everything, if you're going to kind of see this, everything kind of takes a little bit to load. It is not instant switching between everything. So Miiverse is basically kind of like almost like YouTube, or not YouTube, Twitter. So you have like people that can follow you. You can see your user. You have different communities for every single game. So if you want to be in the new Super Mario Brothers U community, you hit it. You can make comments in that community. People can read your comments. You can get messages, notifications. So it basically, like I said, it basically is kind of like a Twitter. That kind of format. So it's a community, you know what I mean? So that's kind of cool. We're going to close that out right now, and we'll let it go back here. So this is your interface. You can scroll. As you can see, you can have lots of different dots. This is like a little health information here. You can scroll through all this, and then down here you have notifications, and notifications are stuff that you get from Wii, from Nintendo. Have to do with your system, maybe updates or something like that. You'll see all that in here. It tells you about how to transfer save game data, stuff like that, Nintendo Network information. So any new messages would show up right there. And then let's see here what I can show you else. Sorry about my sniffles here. It takes a little bit switching back and forth between things. So right down here you have, like I said, Miiverse. You have your shop channel. You have your internet. Let's do some gameplay just because I want to show you guys this, how this works for in-game play. So what's kind of neat about this is you can actually play it on the tablet, or you can play it on, on the gamepad, I should say, or you can play it on the screen, whichever one you want. You can transfer to the tablet down here, the gamepad. So, but this is what I really want to show you right here, which I think is really, really neat. So we're gonna load up the game here. Tap screen. Start this level. Okay. Hit OK. So this is my save game file. Stuff how I've been playing on it. But what's neat about it is when you're in the game, you can hit your home button, and it brings up this screen. Hope you guys can see this. And then let's say you want to look something up on the internet. Just hit internet. It'll load up your internet. And for me, probably it's going to be actually responding to YouTube videos. So it shows me my YouTube inbox, and I can go ahead and go in here and hit on a YouTube video, for example here, and respond to a video, blah blah blah. And then all I gotta do is hit the home button again and hit close home menu. Bam, I'm back to my game. So you didn't actually lose your gameplay here, which is just really, really neat. So I can hit home menu again, and then we can close software, or I can go to my friend list right here, add in a friend, Miiverse, shop, Nintendo TV, all these things. And then also you can program in your TV remote, so you can do this. And now you have a TV remote, so you have your inputs, your channels, volume, all that kind of stuff. You can turn it up and down. It'll do it on your TV. Really, really cool feature on here. You hit TV again and it goes away. Then we'll close out of that, return to the Wii menu, and here again it's just this loading process that kind of takes a little bit. The other thing that's kind of cool is just the integration with the two screens. You can really do most of everything on the gamepad if you want, or you can play on the bigger screen. So it kind of functions both ways. Like I said, Netflix, saying you got some chat stuff. If you have people that are you have in your friend list, you can go on here and you can chat with them, and it'll actually allow you to use the front-facing camera and the mic in the bottom down here on the gamepad, and you can actually FaceTime with them. Haven't been able to do this yet, but it looks really, really cool. Okay, so here we got the Wii Chat menu popping up, and you can actually see me in the camera down here. But then you can pick any of your friends. Normally they'd show up right where this green dot is, and talk to them if they have this feature and they're on there. So let's kind of back out of this, and I'm going to show you the one last thing that's really interesting about this system. Okay guys, the last thing I want to show you is how to boot into the Wii menu instead of the Wii U. So I'm going to go and show you here on the system menu. This is on the TV. So basically what you're going to do is go to this little icon down in the bottom. I'm going to do it with a Wii Remote here to show you. You go to this little icon right here and you click start, and then it says Wii Menu. Use your Wii Remote to select Wii Menu. Go ahead and hit it. And what this actually does is it turns off the screen and reboots the whole system. Turns off the gamepad and just reboots the main system down below, and you'll boot up into the Wii system instead of the Wii U system. So here's the Wii system, standard boot up warning, and as you can see, it actually looks exactly like the Wii system. All your features right here, all your windows, your little channels here, your Wii Shop channel, your Mii's, your disc player, and there's some transfer stuff if you want to transfer save stuff from your actual Wii system to the Wii U, and your message board, your options, your SD card. So as you guys can see, this is an exact basically copy of the Wii. So if you boot into this and you want to go back to the Wii U, you just hit this option right here and return to Wii U menu, select start, and it will boot off the system again, and it should all boot back up. Just a second here, and you should boot back into the system. Now you can see on the gamepad that it's booting up, and on the TV that it's booting up. So once this finishes booting up, you'll be back to the Wii U system menu. Let's see if it finishes up here. It shouldn't take too long. There we go. There's me, and there's a bunch of games that they have out on the system, and here is the Wii system menu. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how it works. So you basically have a dual booting device that boots either the Wii or the Wii U. And what do you want to call it? Applications, not even applications. Operating system, user interface, I guess is the best word to use. And that is how it does that, and how it is backwards compatible by using that little Wii icon down here in the bottom. So, yep, that is it, guys. Just wanted to kind of show you guys some of this interface here and how it works. As you can see, it does work with the Wii Remote, or you can just use the gamepad. It does not matter. And then right here in the corner, this is how you switch your screens. Now the other screen is on the gamepad and this screen is on your TV, and that is how it functions. So hope you guys enjoyed this little kind of like user interface kind of walkthrough. If you did, please give me a good thumbs up on that one. Whoop, whoop. And we will catch you guys next time. Thanks.